Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you or show you how I make my pavlova. It's a keto dessert that I like. It's basically egg whites and you bake them in a very low heat. So right now I have about, I'm going to say like 3 to 4 eggs in here, like the egg whites of the eggs. I beat them until they're kind of not to a full peak, but when it's like runny right here, you can see it's kind of runny. You can see that it drips down. And I add cream of tartar. I kind of just eyeball it. I think I put like maybe like a half a tablespoon inside, and then I added a little bit of vanilla just to give a little good flavor. And I also added a lot of stevia. You can add like maybe like 1/4 of a cup if you like, but I just added a little bit just to give it that sweetness. I didn't want to overdo it, but if you do add more of the stevia, it gives it like a shiny sheen to the egg. And I did add like half a teaspoon of vanilla, and you just want to beat that until it's completely at its peak. And I'll show you a little bit in a little bit what it means by when it's fully to its peak. So right now I'm showing you. Do you see how it holds its shape basically if you put it? And you just want to pipe it into 2 little circles, and you want to preheat the oven to 200 degrees. So right now I'm going to do the filling. The filling is just basically heavy whipping cream, and I just whip it until it's fully a cream. And I add berries to mine. You can add any type of berries, but I added blueberries. Sometimes I add strawberries. Depends on how I'm feeling that day or what I'm wanting to taste. I didn't add stevia to this. I don't believe I did, but you could if you wanted to, and you can even add vanilla to it too to give it like a little bit more of a flavor. But I just added the blueberries again because I like the texture and I like the flavor, and I like that it also kind of makes the heavy whipping cream like a little bit pink, because who doesn't love pink? And you just want to whip it. You can completely whip it to the point where there's no blueberry chunks in it, but I do like the chunks of blueberry inside. It's just a personal preference. Again, you can add raspberries, you can add even blackberries, you can add strawberries, any type of berry you can add to it. You can even add like multiple berries at once. So you just want to keep beating it until you have the consistency that you like. I like it still creamy, I guess you can say, but I also like it to hold its shape. So you just want to keep beating it until you have the consistency that you like. So right now I'm just kind of beating it faster because I do want them to be a little bit smoother. So now I'm just plating it. So this is my pavlova. This is the bottom of it. So I'm just scooping in the heavy whipping cream inside. It's gonna be kind of like a sandwich, you could say, like heavy whipping cream sandwich. I really like it. It's really good. It tastes like marshmallow inside, so it's like really soft, and it is so good, and it feels like it completely melts in your mouth. So it's really, really, really good. And you just want to put the top on it, and once you put the top on it, it kind of creates like a sandwich. So a little bit of the side fell off, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. But if you are a big perfectionist, then you can redo the recipe if you like. But I just put the rest of whatever is left of the heavy whipping cream with the blueberries on top of the pavlova. I like adding like more blueberries to the top. Again, I love blueberries. I think they're super good. And I really like this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. And please let me know if you try it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!